So if you want to create product ads from simple product photos without filming from scratch, this workflow makes it possible directly from your phone. In this tutorial, Pollo AI is used on mobile only to turn two product images into ad vertical style videos. First a t-shirt, then a framed wall art piece. This is designed to help turn static product images into short form ad creatives for platforms like Reels, Shorts, and TikTok, all from the mobile app experience. So just download the Pollo AI app on your phone. I'll leave a link in the description that will take you directly to the mobile app link. And inside the Pollo AI app, the workflow starts from the photo to video ad feature. You will find a button at your dashboard which will take you directly to the photo to video ad feature, and this is going to ask you to upload a photo of your product that you would like to create it to an ad. This can be done by selecting a photo from your phone or by taking a real photo of your product. So I'm going to press on the camera button and take a live picture of a t-shirt that I have right now. So this is my t-shirt. I placed it on the bed, and as you can see, the photo quality or the camera quality is average, although the quality of the image is not great. But I wanted to give the AI more visual context about the product itself, including the color, the shape, the style, and the graphic details. However, we're going to see how this is going to end up with the final ad. And all what I did is to add this image to the prompt box, and in the prompt box I asked it to use the provided product image to create a video ad, as simple as that, and then press on the arrow, and Pollo AI now is going to process the image and do its work. So it wants to create a high converting video around it. So this starts by analyzing the product so that it has a clear image of what it is, and here it extracted the product with the brand, an MC Metropolitan College urban style graphic t-shirt based on the design that was on it, and then it wrote a product description of the product, a casual short sleeve crew neck t-shirt featuring a 74 Metropolitan College urban style graphic print. So if this is fine, you can confirm it and continue, and here after confirming the product info, the second phase starts, which is searching ad library to find suitable ad templates that I can choose from, and here it provided me with a couple of reference ad templates based on the t-shirt or based on the product image that I have uploaded. This is a useful part of the workflow because it helps shape the final output around proven ad structures rather than random motion. And if you press on any of these templates, you will get to see the structure of the ad, the concept, and the angle, so that you can choose which one you like to have your final video ad similar to. So once the best reference style is selected, the ad starts taking shape. For the t-shirt, the direction leans into a lifestyle and fashion-oriented presentation, which makes the final result feel more like a real social media ad instead of a basic product animation. And here Pollo AI starts to analyzing the ad video to create something similar, and now it will start putting the video ad settings. It provided me with a couple of video settings to choose from. I chose the classic crew neck design as my main selling point, and the target audience, it suggested a couple of audience based on the design and the product that is uploaded. So I'm going to choose the young adults, and the target country, the United States, and the video language is English. Then the video ratio is 9:16. The runtime is 15 seconds. And now the next step is to get a full scene by scene storyboard before confirming the final video. So here I get to see the storyboard, which includes the hook, the product description, the text overlay, and everything is editable. I can simply press the edit button and change everything from inside my storyboard. So the storyboard basically consists of the hook part, which is about 3.6 seconds, then the demonstration, also about 3.6 seconds, and then the testimonial part with the dialogue, product description, and then the call to action. If you like your storyboard, you can confirm it. Otherwise, you can edit any part you want. So I'm going to confirm my storyboard, and once the storyboard is confirmed, Pollo AI agent starts to generate the ad video. So in a couple of minutes, you will get to see the ad video, and here is the final ad.
Finding the perfect tee just got easier. Check this out. It features a classic crew neck design and feels incredibly soft for all-day wear. I love the fit. It is super comfortable and works perfectly with any casual outfit. Level up your wardrobe. Shop the collection now through the link below.
This very realistic ad video just with a very simple prompt. Now for the next example, I'm going to add an image of a framed wall art piece that I'm going to sell on Etsy. So this is a live image of the frame. Actually, it's taken from my monitor, a product that was on Etsy that I like, and I added the image to the prompt box. And again, a very simple prompt, create an ad for this product, and Pollo AI agent, similar to what it did before, it starts analyzing the product, and here it understood that this is a minimalist black and white floral vase framed wall art, and then it started to work on choosing an ad library based on the product information provided. And similar to the previous example, it provided me with 8 reference videos, but this time sample videos that are suitable for the product, which is a framed wall art. Pressing on any of the reference videos will show you the sample video. So all of them are really great for the product, different angles, different references. So you can pick the one that you think is suitable. And I'm going to choose this one and press on the arrow. And the next step is to analyze the ad video and then start working on the storyboard. So before that, it started analyzing the ad and the product to work on the video settings. So again, the video settings include the selling points. So it suggested a couple of selling points: sophisticated minimalist silhouette design, complements modern and neutral home interiors, or ready to hang frame display. So you can choose the selling point, the target audience, and to the final part now is the storyboard. It is going to write the storyboard starting with the hook. So once the storyboard is confirmed, now the Pollo AI agent is going to work on generating the final ad, and here is the ad.
Finally found the perfect piece to elevate my living room aesthetic. Look at these clean lines. The black and white silhouette is just so sophisticated. It transforms any space instantly. I absolutely love the modern vibe it brings to my home.
So from product upload to AI analysis, creative direction, storyboard approval, and final rendering, the full process happens directly inside the Pollo AI mobile app using the Pollo AI agent. So if the goal is to turn static product photos into short form and creatives faster, this is a practical mobile workflow to test. And as shown here, even with 2 very different products, Pollo AI can build ad-ready vertical outputs without needing a traditional video shoot and just using a mobile. So if you are a print-on-demand seller, an Etsy seller, or anyone running an e-commerce store, Pollo AI's photo to video ad feature on mobile gives you a complete ad workflow without leaving your phone. The link to download is in the description. Try it on one of your existing product images and drop your output in the comments. I personally want to see what you create with it. If this was useful, hit subscribe. I cover AI tutorials and tools for print-on-demand and merch design every week.